perfect.
Yeah, it is pretty not bad. I've seen worse. Jesus. Apparently we'll put another one in first. Come on now. Self-tap. You get one job.
I mean, that's your name.
I know. There we go. That'll do. That's all I was looking to do. Oh yeah, man.
Access panel.
Access panel. Mark 1 made. Yep, that'll do. Yep, that's perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Look at that. It's ugly, but it is a fantastic access panel.
And
that's all that matters.
And solid as a rock.
Solid as a rock, yep. Got some nice beads rolled in it here. Piece of plate steel. Got some more underneath it for spacing. It's 16 gauge metal. Bring it. That's it. Except for this stupid hump at the back. I gotta fill this in.
Right.
Probably good for what it needs to be anyway.
I can't believe how heavy that thing was when you handed it to me. That is a solid piece of metal.
Yeah, it is pretty solid.
People can dance on that thing.
That's the plan. I mean, not really.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get one in there. Those in. That's true.
They do work.
They work great. Oh yeah, that went. Perfect. Pulled it down.
Looks like an access panel.
It sure does, doesn't it?
Easy access.
Easy access. Fuel problems? Not anymore. Put one there too.
And the big bowl of self-tap used
self-tapping screw. I don't have any new ones.
Don't really need new ones.
Ooh, that's nice.
That is solid.
Well, it's not, doesn't rattle, so perfect. Oh, that was hateful.
It is a floor now.
It is a floor. Yep.
Solid. More solid than the day it was built.
That's for sure. There's a lot more welding and metal in it anyway.
At least you got a coat of something on there.
That's really what I'm trying to do. Get something uniform and thick on it.
Yeah.